I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with this male-friendly design tweak to a Fold of the Week favorite, and I'll show you 2 cool ways to use it. Hey, it's Trish, and this is Fold of the Week, a show where I share powerful print marketing ideas to help you achieve success on any budget. Today, I have something surprising and simple to share with you. I've had a lot of requests recently for easy, lower budget strategies that can work for lots of different verticals and marketing scenarios. So I went looking through the archive for inspiration and found 2 examples of a technique I think you're really going to like. Both of these solutions are self-mailing designs, or designs that can mail without the protection of an envelope. And when you open the cover, there's a surprise of a waterfall accordion made with a simple angled cut. So let's take a closer look. This first example is compact and cost-conscious with a mailing panel on the back, a 2-color design, and 6 panels featuring a circus theme and bold typography. If you look at the angled cut of the waterfall accordion, you'll see that they did something cool and created almost flag-like callouts, working the graphics with the angles and tapering the typography. I'll flip it over and you can see how fun the graphics are on this invitation to a family fun carnival event. The base of this format is a wrapped accordion, and think of it like an accordion fold with 1 additional panel that wraps as a cover. The paper on this is a 100-pound uncoated cover weight sheet, and this was letterpress scored and die cut in 1 pass. The second design is also self-mailed, but could have easily been sized to fit an envelope, so you always have that option. It was digitally printed with personalization and is 5 panels, so 1 panel fewer than the first design. I love the comic book typography on the waterfall and the way that the text is obstructed when it's folded, but totally readable. It really makes you want to open it. There's so much room for content and creativity in this format. This printed on an 80-pound coated cover with a high-gloss lamination on one side. I love how both designs are fun but entirely different in proportion and concept. They both had different angles on the waterfall too, with one much steeper than the other. This simple concept offers a lot of opportunity to make it your own, and I hope you'll give it a try. A very special thanks to Play Creative and Suttle-Straus for sharing their solutions with us. If you've ever been inspired by something you've seen on the show, please consider folding it forward and sharing your work too. If you're looking for more ideas, downloads, and templates, visit Foldfactory.com, and remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.